guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by the title, we are going to be making some pumpkin spice body scrub. And guys, let me tell you, it smells so good and it feels so good on the skin. But yeah guys, before we get in this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I show a whole bunch of DIYs and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get into this video. For this body scrub, you're going to need some brown sugar, some regular sugar, some vanilla extract, which I end up not adding it in, some cinnamon, some pumpkin spice, or you can do pumpkin pie spice. This is a preservative. And then you can add in food coloring if you'd like, or an essential oil if you want to add in as well, which I didn't add in, I just was showing you can, and some coconut oil. I do suggest doing the fractionated one. And then you're going to need some glycerin. You don't technically need it, but it is another good oil to have. And then also I have some sprinkles. I'm just showing you can add some cool things in it, whatever you want. And then some containers. I am making 2 8-ounce containers today. And then some bowls and some mixing stuff and some gloves. So guys, I'm going to add in 1 cup of sugar, and then I'm going to do 1 cup of brown sugar, and then I am going to mix it up. I did mix it together instead of doing just 2 cups of brown sugar because I think it'd be more of like a stickier type of feeling if it was 2 cups. So I did add in some regular sugar, and I mean it does do the same thing and it feels amazing on the skin. But yeah guys, so I'm going to add in a tablespoon of glycerin, and then I'm going to add another tablespoon of glycerin as well, so I did 2 total. And then after that, I'm going to measure a teaspoon of cinnamon. You don't want too much cinnamon because it is very strong and powerful. And then I did half a tablespoon of pumpkin spice. All the measurements will be in the description box below. But yeah guys, and then I did melt my coconut oil, and I did a cup of coconut oil. I do suggest doing the fractionated one where it's already liquid because then it won't solidify at all. But yeah, you're going to mix this up really well. You can add in as much pumpkin spice as you want to make it more pumpkin-y, if that makes sense. I'm going to add in the 10 drops of preservative. This is called Linatural or Linatural. I'm not sure how it's said, but I got it off Amazon. It is a preservative. You don't technically need it, but if you kind of want to last long and if you're selling it, you know, I recommend doing that. But then once that's all mixed in, I did add in a few drops of food coloring. You don't need food coloring, but I kind of wanted to have a more of an orangey, you know, like look to it. But yeah, I didn't add too much because dye is very, you know, it can dye the skin. I believe I did like 2 drops of red and like 3 or 4 drops of yellow, so then it kind of made an orange color. But yeah guys, this is what it looks like. Guys can add in like cinnamon essential oil. See, I'm just showing you an example. I wouldn't put this in here, but yeah, I would put cinnamon essential oil if I were to put any. But honestly, I like the flavoring like of this. It smells really good, and I just don't want to ruin it, you know, because cinnamon is really overpowering, and this smells just like pumpkin. Like, I don't know, if you make this, please let me know how it goes, because I'm sure you'll love it as much as I do. It smells so good and it feels so good on the skin. Yeah guys, now I'm just filling up my container. I did make 2 8-ounce containers. This is what that recipe made. It is quite a good amount, I believe. So if you have smaller containers, you can always cut it in half. But yeah guys, I'm just kind of plopping it in there, pressing it down so I can fit as much as I can. And don't mind the angle or the shakiness of the camera. I had somebody recording it for me because I did not have my tripod with me. So sorry about that. But yeah, pretty much I just filled both containers, and that's how I did those. You don't have to do this. This is totally optional. I just did it to give it like a little fall look, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just added in some of these white sprinkles, and they didn't really turn out how I wanted to. They didn't really show up because it is such a dark color. But yeah, so I added in them fall like color sprinkles because I think those will look really cute. You can also mix in any sprinkles you want with the whole scrub. Like if you wanted it all over the scrub, I kind of just sprinkled it on top just to, you know, give it a little feel. But yeah, guys. Here I'm just showing you with the spilt stuff what it looks like on the skin, how moisturizing it is. Obviously this is a scrub, so it's best to do it underwater, or when you're done, you know, rinse it off with water. But yeah, it is super moisturizing and it looks so good on the skin. It's not super sticky and it smells so good. Guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. It is super fast and super cute and super like smells so good. It reminds me just of fall. But yeah, guys, if you have any like requested videos, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. I am totally open to anything. I want to make a whole bunch more DIYs. I moved my office, so yeah, I will definitely be up to more videos. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, please give me a fat thumbs up and thanks for watching.